last class we have to learn about the sense organs. There are 5. You know that 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. We have to learn about last classes eyes, ears, nose. In this class we have to learn about that our tongue. Do you know you are taking a food through the mouth? In the and under the mouth, what are they? Tongue, teeth are there? No. We have to speak our tongue. No. We have to speak with our tongue. No. Then we have to learn about our sense organ tongue. There are many in that tongue. There are many tastes present in this surface of the tongue. Taste buds. Taste buds are there in the tongue. On the tongue surface of the tongue. And the tongue paina unde taste buds. It helps to different tastes. It helps to find the different taste. Do you know taste? Sweet and pulpy, hot, spices, bitter. These are the tastes. We are now must to eat sweet. Why? Because it sweet is so much interested. It's so much spices we can eat by the chips. And that bitter, you know, cheduga untadi bitter kakarakaya. Do you know that? We have to little much we can eat. Then we have to drinks also. That is so pulupu. That is source fruits and vegetables are there, no? Like tomatoes, taste is sour, and lemon, oranges. These are taste with that sour. Next we have to eat and we have to taste the food from our tongue only. Then we have to, this is the one of the sense organ of our body, and that we take care of our tongue. Do you know that? We take care of our tongue. By how? That is, a dirty tongue can be cause bad breath and mouth diseases. Yes, a dirty tongue can causes the bad breath and the mouth diseases. Then what? Because every morning we have to brushing our teeth and tooth and clean our mouth and tongue. Then avoid the bad breath. Then use a tongue cleaner to clean the tongue. Yes, next one is that take care of the tongue. Use a tongue cleaner. We have to clean our tongue. Next, be careful when we taking hot and cool drinks. Why? We have to be careful. Why? Because that is very hot means that tongue on the surface are there no taste buds. It will burn. Very cool also they can harmful our taste buds. That such as food items. Next one, these food can burn our tongue and spoil the taste buds. Yes, very cool, very hot foods can cause burn our taste buds. On surface are there no tongue surface. These are the some examples of taking care of tongue. Do you know this one? Picture is the tongue. And next one, this is the structure of a tooth. These are the in our under the mouth or the teeth, tooth. That is 4 types. First, starting 4 tooth are in series, and next one is that canines, and another one last 3 tooth are there no that molars. After that premolars. These 4 types of tooths are there in our body. That is in our body. Do you know that how can you cut the pieces of bread, chapati, fruits with the help of teeth? No. Then we have to know about our teeth. That is it helps to many ways. Yes or no? It helps to many ways. It bite and show the food and help of our teeth. Then they also give shape to our face. Shape, how it is round, different shapes are no. We are looking give to shape our face. What is that? That is teeth. And that when the food is stored into that break into the the small pieces, the food them, the mixes with the saliva and gives us taste. How can it is give to taste? We are taking the food, it will break into the small pieces with the help of teeth and send to the small pieces food with the mixed with the saliva under the mouth, that coming water like that is called saliva. That food mixed with that food and going to gives us the taste, different types of taste. Then therefore that importance of take care of our teeth. They help us to chewing and that tasting the food. Next we have to learn about our teeth. These are the teeth present in jaws, and we have two jaws, that is upper and lower. These are our teeth, two types, that upper and lower. These are the two types, that upper and lower jaws. That first tooth of a baby grows age of about 6 months. A full set of teeth grows by the age of 3 years. What is the first tooth of coming of age of 6 months, the baby 6 months. Next, a full set of teeth grows by the age of 3 years. This is the first set of teeth. The first set of teeth is called known as milk teeth or temporary teeth or deciduous teeth. These are that our new baby grows up, baby born after 6 months, that tooth will come that age of 6 months, and a full set of teeth will come age of 3. These age of 3 teeth are coming, we known as that milk tooth or temporary teeth. Then a new set of teeth grows to replace the fallen milk teeth. This is called new set of teeth called permanent teeth. These are that about our teeth. What are that? That is two upper lower jaws are there in our mouth. The first teeth, a baby grows up 6 months age of that first tooth will come. Then full set of teeth are coming age of 3. Then first total full set of teeth is known as milk tooth or temporary tooth. The milk tooth are fallen coming after age of set of tooth is called permanent teeth. These are about our teeth, and we have how many teeth you know? We have by the first age of 21 we have 32. The permanent teeth in all set, one set have 16 teeth in each, another set have 16 teeth. Then the types of teeth, we have 4 types. That is types of teeth, we have 4 types. One is the incisors, canines, premolars and molars. These are the 4 types of teeth. First of all, we learn about incisors. That is, these are the present at the front in each jaw. Front teeth are called incisors. That is, they are chisel shaped. They are chisel shaped. These are used for cutting or biting the food. What we are taking, that food we have to first of all break into small pieces these chisel shaped teeth. Then we have to, they are used hard fruits and nuts. These teeth we can use, and these are 4 in each jaw, 4 upper and lower, 4 teeth are there. Canines are placed next to the incisors on the each side, 2 sides, upper and lower 2 sides. After canine it is there, that canines are there after the incisors in each jaw, upper and lower. They are shaped sharp and pointed. These teeth are very sharp and pointed. Very sharp and pointed. That if they are in flat, sharp and pointed. No? Then next one is the third one, premolars. Premolars are located next to the canines. They are flat and bowed. We can crush and chaw the food. We can crush and show the food, these premolars. What is that? Three premolars. After that, canines in premolars. Before canines, incisors. After incisors, canines. After that, premolars. Then we have to, these teeth are flat and bone. Then it helps to food we are eating. Then chew and we can chew and eat the food. Next one is that there are 4 premolars in each jaw. How many is that? 4 each jaw. Next one is molar. Molar are located next to the premolars. After the premolars, molars are there. These are the last teeth of the mouth. These it is located at the back side of the mouth. They are back side of the mouth. They are border and then than the premolars. Border, last, hard, very strong teeth in our mouth. Last back there. We use that molars to chew the and grind the food. We can use chew and grind the food with the hard food like meat, chicken, fruits like guava. These are the, we can grind the food, and that there are 6 molars in each jaw. 6 molars. This side 6, upper and lower 6 molars are there. Then we have to learn about 4 types of teeth, that is incisors, canine, premolars and molars. These are the structure in our teeth. Next, to take care of our teeth, then we have to brush our teeth twice a day. That in the morning and when you are going to bed, you have to must brush our teeth. Then next, begin brushing by making gentle strokes, not hardly. Gentle stroke you have to brush our teeth. Then make circular movements to brush the teeth at the back. Make circular position, round in shape. This is the upper and lower. You have to move the brush in circular shape. Then you have to given the strokes of gentle. Last one is we must visit every 6 months to once go to the tooth doctor. Who is that? That is dentist. We have to go to and we have to check up our tooth. Then we have to go to take the medicines and precautions whatever the dentist given to us. We have to protect our teeth. This is our class. You must buy the books compulsory, and then you have to understand the lesson, and mostly about that tooth you have to draw the 4 types of canine, incisors, molars and premolars pictures. Compulsory you have to buy the books. Is there in our textbook these diagrams. Compulsory you see and draw the pictures.